We are doing number 12. We've done 1 through 11, maybe, and now we're saying, okay, number 12, we got a comma, we have a semicolon, we have a colon. We're going to have to figure out independent clauses. So let's identify those. All of these are identical. F, G, and H, and J all have shape and then a piece of punctuation. So let's read what happens before it, because we know with semicolons and colons, we need an independent clause beforehand. We have, although these snowflakes appear to have a triangular shape. No. Brady, is that an independent clause?
No, it is not, because the word although.
Right, because of the word although. So this word although screws it up. This is actually a dependent clause, because it depends on something else. We need something else, which means that we cannot have H and J. H is wrong, J is wrong. Now we're left with a comma or a dash. Dashes are used for separating independent clauses from some non-essential element and then a positive, which means that one of those things doesn't matter. We can take it away and the sentence still works and we haven't lost a lot of context. So let's try the dash. Dashes are easier than commas. So if we get rid of one of these sides, now we only have one dash, so that's important. If you have two dashes, you know the non-essential is between them. We only have one, so the non-essential has to be before it or after it. We got to figure out which. Generally, it means that it's going to be afterwards. So, and we can't, if we take out beforehand, then they actually have a hexagonal pattern. Fine, but we've lost too much context. They actually have a hexagonal pattern versus what? We don't know. It's got to be coming from this first part of the sentence. So the first part is essential. And then if we take out the second part, we already know we don't have an independent clause, and we need one to have a sentence. So therefore, the dash doesn't work. We don't have a non-essential phrase in this sentence. So that leaves us with G. So F is wrong. This is why I like proving 3 wrong. It requires you to fully understand why you use every piece of punctuation, and it allows you to, it helps you get better and better and quicker at identifying mistakes in each answer choice. Now, G, what kind of comma is this? This is a dependent clause, comma, independent clause. We have, although the snowflakes appear to have a triangular shape, comma, they actually have a hexagonal pattern. So the second part...
Independent.
Independent, yes. So dependent, comma, independent.